Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell how to find probability of even, odd, prime, composite square or perfect squares divisibility by multiples of numbers. We know that even numbers are the numbers, the last digits of these numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. For example, 12, 6, 378, etc. These numbers are called even numbers. And odd numbers last digits are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. For example, 11, 23, 57, etc. These numbers are called odd numbers. And prime numbers are the numbers except one whose factors are 1 and the number itself. For example, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, etc. If you see these numbers are having only the factors of 1 and the number itself. And next, composite numbers, the numbers except one having more than two factors, except one and the number itself are called composite numbers. For example, 4, 8, 27, 16, etc. These are the composite numbers. If you see 8, the factors of 8 are 1 and 8, the number and the 1 are the factors. Excluding that, 2 and 4 are the other factors. So these type of numbers are called composite numbers. And perfect squares are 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Those are 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. These type of numbers are called square numbers or perfect squares. And divisible by 7 or multiples of 7. You can see here multiples of 7 are 7 and 7 twos are 14 and 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, etc. These type of numbers are multiples of 7 and these are divisible by 7 also. Now I am going to tell how to find the probability of these type of numbers. This is the first problem. Someone is asked to take a number from 1 to 100. The probability that it is a prime is dash. So here some options are given. We have to find which option is correct. First you have to find how many numbers from 1 to 100. So here these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. So here 2, 3, 5, 7, etc. These type of numbers are called prime numbers because these numbers are having only the factors of 1 and the number itself. So here from 1 to 100 there are 25 prime numbers. So these are the prime numbers from 1 to 100. You can remember this. So the probability is 25 by 100, that is 1 by 4. So here the option is 1 by 4, that is B. This is second question. There are 30 cards of the same size in a bag in which the numbers 1 to 30 are written. One card is taken out of the bag at random. What is the probability that the number of the selected card is not divisible by 3? So here there are 30 cards. The numbers written on that cards are 1 to 30. So we have to find the probability of the numbers which are not divisible by 3. So for that you have to find the numbers which are divisible by 3. Those are multiples of 3. So you can find one is not divisible, one is not multiple of 3 or divisible by 3, and 30 is the divisible. 30 is divisible by 3. So you can write 30 is the last number, and after 1, 3 is the first number that is divisible by 3 or multiple of 3. Now you can write the multiples of 3 as 3, 6, 9, 12. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, like this up to 30. So these are total 10 numbers. So the divisible by 3 are 10 numbers. So not divisible by 3 are 30 minus 10, that is 20. So now the probability is 20 by 30, that is equal to 2 by 3. So here the option B is correct. This is third question. Here the problem is a box contains cards numbered 11 to 123. A card is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the number of the drawn card is a perfect square number? So here there are some cards. The numbers on the cards are 11 to 123. From 11 to 123. So you have to find, the first question is the card which is a perfect square number. So 11 is not a perfect square number and 123 is also not a perfect square number. Before 11, 3 square, that is 9, is a perfect square number. So after 11, 4 square is the first perfect square number. After 4 square, you can write 5 square, 6 square, like that till 11 square, because 11 square is 121. After that 123. So 11 square is the last perfect square number. Now you can write 16, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36 like this up to 121. These numbers are 8. So total perfect square numbers are 8 of the chords 11 to 123. So here the probability is 8 by, here the total number of chords are 123 minus 11 plus 1, that is 113 chords. So the probability here is 8 by 113. In the next question, what is the probability that the number of the drawn card is a multiple of 7? So here you have to find multiples of 7. Here 11 is not a multiple of 7 and 123 is not a multiple of 7. So find after 11, 7 2s are 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. So 14 is the next multiple of 7, and after that 3, 4, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 25, 7 5s are 35 like this. Up to you have to find how many multiples you can find like this. 123 by 7, that is approximately 17. So up to 17 you can write the multiples of 7. So 2 to 17. So number of multiples here are 17 minus 2 plus 1, that is 16. So here the number of multiples are 16 by the total number of cards are 113. So the probability here is 16 by 113. This is fourth problem. A box contains 20 cards from 1 to 20. A card is drawn at random from the box. What is the probability that the number on the drawn card is divisible by 2 or 3? So here there are 1 to 20 cards. Out of these, first divisible by 2. So we have to find divisible by 2 cards or multiples of 2. 1 is not divisible by 2 or multiple of 2, but 20 is divisible by 2. So the last card is divisible by 2 is 20, and first one is 2, and write the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 2 1s are 2, 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 like this up to 20. So the total number of cards which are divisible by 2 are 10 cards. And now write the cards which are divisible by 3 are multiples of 3. Those are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18 is the last card because 20 is not divisible by 3. Then from these cards already 6, 12 and 18 cards are divisible by 2. So you have to strike these 3 cards 6, 12 and 18. Then the remaining cards are 3, 9 and 15. So write the total number of cards which are divisible by 3 are 3 here. Then the total cards are divisible by 2 or 3 or 10 plus 3, that is 13. So the probability here is 13 by 20.